Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about formatting the Access, Legends and Data series. Firstly, we will talk about formatting the Access. What we have to do for formatting the axis like horizontal axis or the vertical axis. So to modify these or format these axes, what we have to do is point the mouse at the x-axis like here and select the right click on it and select the format axis from the shortcut menu. The format axis task appears on the right side. Select the axis options tab and click under the minimum text box and enter 20 in it, as I have changed the value of this minimum axis to 20 and the maximum I am changing here is 200, and then I will click close. Now you can see the difference that the minimum value of the vertical axis have changed from 20 to 120 to it has changed from 20 to 200 because I have given the maximum range here as 200. So in this way we can change the value of the axis or format the axis. Next is formatting the legends. Legends are these symbols which depict the column names or the headings that are representing the values. So we can format the text, background, boundary and color of a legend. How can I change or format this legend? I have to right click on the legend boundary and select the format legend option or simply double click on the legend. The format legend task pane appears on the right side. We can see select the fill and line tab and then select the border option. Suppose I have used as the solid color and I am changing this inner background of this legend from this pink color to blue color, and I can change the border styles also, as I can change the outer line dash type of the border by clicking on the dash drop down list and select any of the styles which I want to. Then I can specify the width by clicking on the spin arrows. I can mention the value from 0 points to 1584. Any of the width value dash type values I can specify from here. Fine. Any value I'm giving to is 52, suppose. Select the desired color by clicking on the color option I have choose to position, because this width option doesn't work with some of the tasks, but to select the width of any of the border type I can select it from here. 5.0 I have given. And to position the legend on the chart means what should be the position of this legend on the right side of the chart or on the top of the chart. Select the top radio button option from the displayed is I can change this position of the legend. Now it is coming on the right side. I can change the position of the legend from here, from bottom, left, right, top, right, any of the positions I can fix of the legend. Suppose I'm choosing the top and close. This is how I can format the legend tab. Similarly, I can format the data series. I can change the color of these data series or borders of these data series by just right click on the data series, select the format data series option from the shortcut menu. The format task data series task pane will appear on the right side. Click on the fill and line tab, change the, suppose this, I can change the color from this one gray to pink. I can again change the width or styles according to the requirement. Fine. Click on the fill tab and choose the picture or text fill option, means it should be a plain or a texture fill of the data series appearance. Click on the texture drop down menu this way and I can select any of the textures which I would like to have and select any. This I have selected option. Click on the effects tab and select the shadow option. Select the desired format from the preset options. Like this, I can change the preset of the data series and click on the close button. In this way, I can format the data series also. Thank you.